The most dangerous enemy is not who you think, a powerful Islamic reminder about influence, integrity, and faith. There is a type of harm that shakes you, and there is a type of harm that quietly reshapes you. One is loud, the other is silent. One attacks your body, the other attacks your heart, your thoughts, your direction in life. A'udhu billahi minash shaitani rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. My dear brothers and sisters, sit with me for a moment. Slow down your thoughts. Breathe. Because what we are about to talk about is not just history, it is your life right now. We all think we know what an enemy looks like. Someone who insults you, someone who opposes you openly, someone who mocks your faith. That kind of enemy is actually easy to deal with. Why? Because you see them. You recognize the danger. Your guard is up. But the real test, the more dangerous trial, is not the open enemy. It is the one who smiles, the one who sounds reasonable, the one who says, "I just want what's best for you." This is not new. This is not modern. This is a pattern as old as the mission of the prophets. When truth stands firm, falsehood does not always attack with swords. Sometimes it attacks with suggestions, with friendly advice, with compromise disguised as wisdom. Don't be so strict. Just adjust a little. Times have changed. Balance your faith with reality. And slowly, without realizing, a person doesn't lose Islam in one day. They lose clarity, then conviction, then courage, until faith becomes a label, not a living force in the heart. My brothers and sisters, there are people who oppose truth openly. They reject it clearly. There is almost an honesty in that. You know where they stand. But then there is another type, the most dangerous type. They don't want to destroy you from the outside. They want to soften you from the inside. They don't say, leave your faith. They say, just tone it down. They don't say, disobey Allah. They say, don't take things so seriously. They don't fight your belief. They negotiate with it. And the believer must ask, when did guidance become something to bargain with? The Quran teaches us that influence itself is powerful. You don't have to obey someone to be affected by them. Just listening again and again, exposure again and again, normalizes ideas that once would have shaken your heart. That is how hearts change, quietly, gradually. That's why not every smiling voice is safe for your soul. Some people speak beautifully. They make promises, they sound sincere. They swear they mean well. But a person whose character is strong does not need endless words to prove themselves. Integrity speaks without shouting. A person without principles adjusts their truth depending on the room they are in. With one group, they speak one way. With another group, another way. Their loyalty is not to truth, it is to advantage. And this is a powerful life lesson. Not everyone who speaks about what's best is guided by what is right. Sometimes people speak about family values, but destroy families with their actions. They speak about freedom, but silence truth when it becomes uncomfortable. They speak about justice, but only when it benefits them. Words are easy. Principles are expensive. The believer's strength is this. We are not people of shifting faces. We are people of character. We try to be the same in private and public, the same in comfort and hardship, the same when praised and when criticized. And when someone invites you to just compromise a little, remember, truth does not need to be diluted to survive. It needs hearts that are firm. Another dangerous trait is hidden slander, not open attacks, but quiet whispers. Subtle hints, carefully chosen words that damage reputations. They don't accuse directly, they plant doubt. You know, I'm not saying anything, but I heard something about him, I'm just concerned. And slowly trust is destroyed, relationships are shaken, and people begin to see others through suspicion instead of sincerity. Islam teaches us mindfulness in speech because words shape realities. A sentence dropped carelessly can burn hearts for years. My dear brothers and sisters, this reminder is not just about others. It is about us too. Have we ever softened the truth to fit in? Have we ever stayed silent when we knew something was wrong, just to stay comfortable? Have we ever passed along a rumor without thinking? The greatest struggle is not always outside. It is inside the chest, between sincerity and showing off, between truth and convenience, between standing firm and fitting in. Life is short. Time is running. We will not stand before Allah with our social approval, our popularity, or our image. We will stand with our intentions, our integrity, and the state of our hearts. So protect your heart from bad influence like you protect your body from disease. Be careful who shapes your thinking. Be careful whose words you let settle in your chest. Stay close to the Quran. Stay close to remembrance. Stay close to people who remind you of Allah, not people who make you forget Him. Because the most dangerous enemy is not the one who shouts at you. It is the one who slowly pulls you away from Allah without you even noticing. May Allah protect our hearts, make us people of firm character, and grant us clarity, sincerity, and steadfastness. Ameen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more peaceful Islamic reminders like this. For more uplifting Islamic motivation, faith-boosting messages, and heart-softening reminders, watch the full playlist in the description. Heart-touching Islamic reminders, motivation, faith, and hope. Alhamdulillah.